Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Monday morning, new week, new opportunities. Time to see what's going on. A lot of things are happening around the world. Coronavirus in China, US, China's phase 2 trade deal. So just follow the news. Highly recommend you. We're gonna take a look what's going on with the major currency pairs now, and we're gonna check what's happening on the economic calendar. First, we make a quick recap about the calendar, and then we're gonna see the technical perspective. So simply today, Monday, is Singapore Chinese New Year. In Singapore, the market is closed. New Year's Day, Hong Kong, Australia, China, South Korea. This area, simply we have a lot of celebrations, and the market is gonna be a little bit less volatile. So today we have only German IFO business climate and new home sales in US 3 p.m. GMT. Tomorrow it's not so different. Core durable good orders and consumer confidence in US. But Wednesday, CPI for Australia, pending home sales for US 3 p.m. crude oil inventories 3:30 p.m. FOMC meeting, interest rate decision in US 7 p.m. GMT, and press conference, of course, after that 7:30 p.m. So it's going to be very interesting for the US after Wednesday. Thursday, interest rate decision in UK, Bank of England. Of course, Carney is gonna give a speech. 30 minutes later, GDP in US 130, and Friday, CPI for the euro and gross domestic product for Canada. 1:30 p.m. GMT for Canada, and for the euro 10 a.m. GMT. So to summarize very quickly, we have interest rate this Wednesday for US 7 p.m. and interest rate for Great British Pound. So what is happening on the charts? The euro, as you can see right now, is just pushing down in order to reach 1.1026. So we definitely can see bounce back to the resistance and continuation to the downside. We had a talk about the breakout of this support last week, and obviously it happened. It's a matter of time just to see the bounce back and continuation to the downside. I don't think so. We're gonna see the euro creating an uptrend for now, not at least till the end of the week. Next week, let's see what's gonna happen. So Great British Pound, in waiting of the interest rate for on Thursday, definitely in focus. We saw a very strong sell-off of the GBP last Friday. We talked about 100 pips approximately here, and we can see continuation to 1.30, which is 60 pips away right now, and it's a good target, and it's a good short opportunity, I would say, on the Great British Pound. I'm gonna take it probably. I want to see what's gonna happen in the next hour or two, and then I'm gonna take my decision. But definitely I am bearish on the Great British Pound for now, despite the strong upward trend. As you can see, we had a talk about this triangle formation also, so it's pretty likely to see GBP going down at least to the support level. Australian US, just simply totally going down, and just doesn't want to retrace back as we expected. Broken 0.68 round number, heading to 0.67, 69 any moment until here. I don't think we're gonna see immediately the support level touched, but I think we can see slight pullback to the upside, something like this, slight pullback, and after that continuation. Australian is decrease its price with very fast pace, and I think we're gonna see 0.67, 69 or 0.67. Why not? It's not gonna be definitely impossible. Before that, of course, we're gonna see a couple of pullbacks, but I think it's heading to 0.67. New Zealand US, it's a step after the Australian US dollar. As you can see, just it's very strong for now. I'm still bullish on the New Zealand US dollar, despite the drop in the gap that we had over the weekend. We definitely can see further drop to the downside. We have a support line here. As you can see, we can even put it as a new support line, and my next support line is gonna be exactly here, tested here, and here, much stronger. Absolutely, 0.6487 is much stronger than 0.6566 here, but still we have a strong support line, so we can see the price heading to the upside again, continuing this upward trend. USD CAD jumping directly to crude oil. Crude oil, absolutely, this was very simple one. So we had to talk about this price behavior pattern. The price strong drop, slight bounce back, and continuation to the downside in order to go down with approximately $7. What's going on? Strong drop, not immediately, but a couple of days, slowing down, bounce back, and dropping down in order to have $6 drop. So crude oil was pretty predictable, 53.28. We can consider a support line. I'm going to just simply delete this one because to clear up my charts. 54.82 bounce back to this level, and after that continuation to 50.60, completely possible, absolutely, to see the price of 50.60. The crude oil just literally deleted all of the profits from here, from the last 2 months, 3 months since October, was going up $12, and when in drop down for less than 10 days with almost the same. So it's absolutely it was very good opportunity if you take it, guys. If you took it, probably you've made a lot of profit. So crude oil going down, heading down. USD Canadian heading up, absolutely. So, but the problem with the USD Canadian is that we had a sell-off here, and we are still in a downtrend with the USD Canadian. So as you can see, the price here is creating a higher, lower highs here, even much stronger. Slight recovery in the beginning, tried to push to the downside, didn't manage to, continuation to the upside. But I think it's gonna get slower. It can reach probably 1.32, not impossible whatsoever, but we talk about 30-40 pips away from the current price, and after that I'm gonna expect probably to see a drop of the USD Canadian, and of course just to continue its downtrend. This is probably gonna happen once the crude oil starts recovering from this big drop here and here, and probably once it reaches $50.60 per barrel. USD Swiss franc, one of my favorites, you know very well. So we got a sell-off last week here. I am absolutely bullish on the USD Swiss for now. It's very strong. 0.9710 is the actual price, a round number. So we can see continuation to the upside in order to reach the resistance zone here and here. Once we get closer to this level, then probably we're gonna put the resistance levels. For now, it's not necessary. The price can bounce back and continue to the downside after that any moment. So nobody knows when it's gonna happen, but definitely there is a big chance. So I am bearish. USD Japanese, my second, of course, favorite instrument. USD Japanese, very strong drop, 150 pips, as you can see the last couple of days. Quite normal. We had to talk about it, to be careful with the buy trades around 109.74, the support level, when it was support level, because a very strong drop of Dow Jones is expected, and of course this is going to push the USD Japanese going down as well, as it happened. So right now I would say that even louder, guys, be careful with the buy trades of the USD Japanese, because you can get caught because of this uptrend. It is an uptrend, but the situation could change very quickly. Just for now, I'm looking for good short opportunities on the USD Japanese yen. We are not there yet. It's a matter of time to have good short opportunities, but for now I'm just waiting. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like it, comments below, shares and like us on the social medias. Help us to, of course, to develop this YouTube channel and to help other people to trade profitable on the financial market. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, if you want to reach me, you know how to do it. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome. Bye bye for now, and have a very profitable week.